Hey everybody, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. So I had some requests on how I crop and organize my digital stickers. So I did a little quick run through with this super cute June monthly kit that I got from Petticoat Bandit, and I'll link it down below. Basically all I do is I download it to my iPad from the Etsy shop, and I create some folders where I can organize my stickers based on type. So I have some date covers, functional, text, icons, and deco, and washi and headers. And as I go through the monthly kit, I crop the stickers and I move them to the folder where I think they best fit. So as you can see here, I'm cropping some deco, some gifts. I won't use all of these this month. I never do my bill due, but payday I'll use, and I'll put all of those into the text, icons, and deco folder. There's very few functional in this kit, which is fine because typically on my monthly I don't document a lot of functional stuff, but I do like to document important days, and I like to make the month pretty. So as you can see, I'm just gonna crop these one by one. Some of them I use a rectangle crop, some of them I use a freehand depending on the design. As we get to the deco, you'll see how I freehand around the pictures one by one. Other than that, this is how I do it, and then I'll take the originals and stick them in the original folder just in case I want to refer back or pull something that I didn't crop originally. So enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks!